Welcome to Talk Free. Everyone is talking about entrepreneurship, how rewarding it is. But no one wants to know or rather feel how the struggle is. Yes, being an entrepreneur is difficult, but at the end, the reward and satisfaction that you get is priceless.
Entrepreneur is neither a science nor an art. It surely is practice. They don't wait for opportunities, they create it. It has been rightly said that entrepreneurship is living a few years of your life like most people won't, so that you can spend the rest of your life like most people can't.
The true entrepreneur is a doer, not a dreamer. An entrepreneur is not someone who owns a business. It is someone who makes things happen. They take risk more than others think it is safe and dream more than others think it is practical.
You know what, PM? Entrepreneurs are crazy people who risk their own money for freedom rather than exchanging their freedom for money. And to be in that 1%, you have to do something that 99% won't.
And surely, entrepreneurship is not for everyone. It is for those who are willing to take that risk, make that plunge, willing to work 80 hours a week and not crib about not having enough time and energy. They are definitely meant to play safe and small.
This is the reason why the basic task of entrepreneurs is to prioritize. It is so very important. It is the lifeline of life.
Like any other work, entrepreneurship also requires planning. You need to have that vision, goals, plans, and definitely a dream which you can see apart from other things.
And to help you to enter the entrepreneurship, we have an entrepreneur with us.
We have with us Ankur Agarwal, a facilitator and a ICF certified transformation executive and OD coach. He is a postgraduate in finance and also a certified psychometric interpreter. He has co-authored the book Coach Wisdom, Volume 1. He has been working in the field of financial services for more than 15 years, and since last 5 years, he has been involved in training, coaching, and consulting with the intention of business optimization, productivity management, and productivity enhancement. He has coached more than 100 people and trained more than 10,000 people, and his clientele list is a long one. From Federal Bank to Bajaj Capital, HDFC Bank, Air India, Oriental Insurance Company, and many more. He is extremely passionate about coaching, inspiring lives, transforming people, and helping organizations in optimization across value chains. We welcome you to Talk Free, sir.
Thank you, Preeti. Thank you so much for having me on this show. And thank you, Sanjay, for having me on the show. And it's a privilege and it's an honor for me to come over here and share my views and value add to the people so that it can be of like help, which can enable people to transcend and grow. Thank you so much for having me over here.
Wow, what an impressive profile. So, well, my first question is, which is more crucial to the success of an entrepreneur, the idea or the execution?
Okay, it's a very interesting question, Sanjay, which you asked actually. So if you ask me, both are important. Now, how does this entire mechanics work? थोड़ा सा उसको समझना हमारे लिए जरूरी है. Anything and everything to be executed has to be supported with an idea. An idea is something which is extremely important for success of any single thing. When we are talking of an idea is, before an idea comes an imagination. If an individual, if an entrepreneur is able to imagine something, visualize something, because once we are talking of the imagination, that's connected with the vision of an individual. Once an individual is having an imagination of something to achieve something in life, that's where the idea gets, there's, I would say, germination of the idea, the triggering of the idea which is there. And once an idea is there, that needs to be constantly worked upon. And then once an idea is continuously being worked upon, it has to be executed. Today, there are people have got amazingly beautiful ideas across the globe. especially if I have to talk of the younger generation with the advent of technology, changing business world, there are amazingly beautiful ideas which can like change the entire landscape. But there's a very big challenge which comes. Ideas are there. The biggest gap is in terms of the implementation and the execution. A lot of ideas, amazing ideas, are left just halfway because कहीं ना कहीं उसमें implementation में gap आ जाता है. सबके पास बहुत बढ़िया आइडियाज हैं, लेकिन अगर उसको इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करेंगे और एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करेंगे तो रिजल्ट कहां से आएगा?
Probably they fear कि आइडिया काम नहीं करेगा या फिर वो मेहनत नहीं करना चाहते हैं उतना, एंड लोग people start putting in their ideas कि कैसे काम करेगा, हो नहीं पाएगा, टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो, पैसे वेस्ट कर रहे हो, get fixed income. So all these fears and society, that plays a major role in restricting innovations.
Yes, absolutely, Preeti. In fact, you have mentioned a very, very important aspect, which is one of the biggest deterrents for people to progress. That is fear. What exactly is fear? Now, fear has got multiple dimensions to it. In simple terms, it's a future expectation of an absurd result. Future expectation of an absurd result. That's fear. Which one is? It's once there, one mind. People start just thinking about, though they don't take actions because of fear. But there are different dimensions to it when it comes to fear. I would just take a minute to highlight over here because this is something which is very important. Is that when we talk of fear, fear is driven by two things. Like one is that ignorance. क्या लोग कहते हैं डर लगना चाहिए, डर लगना चाहिए, it is good. It is good as far as it is giving a new awareness to an individual to take action. Right. But if somebody is saying that one has to be ignorant about it, I am fearful, मुझे डर लग रहा है, and I ignore the things, that is the biggest thing which is wrong. So, and when we are talking of fear, it also talks about adversity. When we are talking of fear, fear is arising in terms of adverse situations when things are not favorable. That enables an individual to come out with new set of thoughts. It gives a new awareness. And that's where the time also, where a new idea gets initiated. People get best of the ideas during the adverse times. And once they have a better awareness, they have to execute it. And when it comes to execution, what you said, fear of people start anticipating too much about the results. कि क्या होगा रिजल्ट, अगर मैंने इतना मेहनत किया, मैंने सब रिसोर्सेज लगाया, लेकिन इसका रिजल्ट नहीं आया, और even the external world is saying, but there is a bigger thing which is there. It is all about the belief system. What is the belief system of an individual? If I have an idea, if I am having a belief that yes, this is a great idea and I'll make it successful, nothing is going to stop for an individual to achieve the desired results. Challenges will be there, obstacles will be there, but it's the belief system of an individual which ensures, one, the idea is there, and secondly, it gets executed.
Correct.
So yes, Sanjay, what you asked me, if you ask me, this is very, very important. And one more dimension I would like to bring it to everybody's awareness is the fact, everything starts with an idea. Today we talk of, if you see it a pyramid, let's take up a triangle which is there, and we divide it into three different parts. First part is the idea, which is there right on the top. Second is the things or the action what you take. And at the bottom of the pyramid, which is the broadest, that would be, you can classify in terms of the results or the money which is there. So my message to every single individual is there, irrespective of the industry they are into, or whatever they're doing, always have an idea working in your mind. That is the only thing which is going to take an individual to the next level.
Tell us one thing, how important it is to have investors in one's business or startup that the entrepreneur intends to do.
Okay, very, very interesting question, Preeti. Actually, if we see then this entire having investors, this is a very, I would say the buzzword of the day also. And this entire thing has seen a lot of change. If we see the outlook, the way investors used to look at any business around 5 years, 10 years back, that has changed completely.
Completely.
So first and the foremost thing is that earlier, if I have to go say 10 years back, then there was a greenfield project. Greenfield project is like somebody, koi startup hai, somebody has got an idea, very nice idea, and the investor is ready to put in the money. So that used to be the case. Even today it is there, but it is like not to that extent which was there earlier. What today investors' mindset, investors' perspective has also changed. Today, people are not looking at a greenfield project. People are looking for any business which is there, where there are consistent running cash flows which is there. It is in line with the market conditions. It is in trend with the requirements. So let's say just today, if we see last 7-8 months, or say, let's take out the example of 2020, where the entire business dynamics has changed for everyone.
Completely right.
So जब business dynamics change हो गया, तो investor का perspective भी change हो गया. So that is something which is very, very important for one to understand. Now, there is another dimension which is there. This is about what investors are looking at. They're looking for sustainability of cash flows, great idea, great market. The market trends are there and everything has to be supported. That is something which is there. There's another very important aspect which one must look at it. Let's take the case for an individual. There are 5 different investors who are ready with the money to give. What will the entrepreneur look at? Here becomes a very, very important element. Apart from the money or the stake or whichever format the investor is looking to put in, or whichever the format has to be adopted, one very important element which an individual must look at is that how much value addition investor is bringing on the table in terms of enabling and supporting the business to grow.
That is very well point stated. The value addition that they are bringing and not just the money aspect. That's really important.
Absolutely. And that is one of the biggest, I would say, the game changers also, which has proven for a lot of businesses also. Today, if we see that there are so many businesses, because of certain reasons, I cannot take the names of the business in this open forum, but there's so a lot of businesses where investors have come with amazingly, they have put in the money, they have come up with great ideas, different strategies, and that is once implemented, it has grown and it has given the benefit to everybody. So when we are talking of investors, yes, first of all, it is the individual's perspective. There are companies which have grown and they have decided not to go for the investors also. So that is also which is there, the companies which have become like billion-dollar companies without having even one single penny invested by an investor. That is also the case. But at the same point of time, is it good? Yes, definitely it's good, because you get different perspectives. People getting different perspectives, different viewpoints from different people. So definitely it is great for investors to look at it. And just for the benefit of everybody, there is if when one is looking forward, when we are talking of investors, I would not definitely like to mention one series which is there, Shark Tank. If somebody is really looking at to explore how things work when one is looking to have investors, do go through the Shark Tank series. That will add a lot of value to anybody who's looking into that space, and it will give a new perspective. एक अलग ही dimension मिलेगा, एक अलग perspective मिलेगा, and it gives great new ideas.
Because आजकल क्या होता है ना कि people न्यूज में आते हैं इस बिजनेस को इतने इन्वेस्टर्स मिले, इतने मनी ओपन किए गए हैं, वेदर फ्रॉम ABC, वेंचर कैपिटलिस्ट होते हैं, फाइनेंस में जो पैसे लगाते हैं, तो लगता है कि यार हमारे बिजनेस में पैसा लगाएगा क्या. So they think from that angle, but yes, vision has to be there. If the vision and the business is there, and the idea is there, definitely you will be, taking forward that thing, whether or not people are investing in your business or not.
Right. In fact, Preeti, you mentioned very important aspect just now. Today, money is available. अगर आज किसी को पैसा चाहिए बिजनेस के लिए, it is available in different formats, either in the form of a debt, equity, whatever, venture capital, whatever the format one has look at. Money is not an issue, but getting a different idea which can take the business to the next level, that is in scarcity. वो चीज आपने जो बोला है, that is absolutely very, very important.
So, what are the most common mistakes your first time entrepreneurs make?
Okay, so there are one, I would say, mistakes. It is there, I would say mistakes. First of all, it's good to make mistakes. One must not be scared to make mistakes, because it is a learning for an individual to make things better. But coming to your point, yes, what are the things which is there which one must be mindful about is that first and the foremost thing is that everybody is used for instant gratification. आज बिजनेस शुरू किया, कल का कल ही रिजल्ट मिल जाए. No business is there in the world, no venture is there, whether an individual is into employment, whether is into any business, any industry, any scale. कहीं पर भी ऐसा नहीं होता है कि जो है आज आपने शुरू किया और कल का कल रिजल्ट मिल जाए. So that is something which is very important for everybody to be aware about, is that one needs to have that patience which is there, and one needs to be having that mindset from a longer term perspective. Results are exponential. It's like, I would like to take the example of a mango tree. मैंगो ट्री टेक्स ईयर्स, आम का पेड़ से आम निकलने में काफी साल लगते हैं, लेकिन जब आम आते हैं तो लोग सिर्फ आमों को देखते हैं कि अच्छा ठीक है इसमें आम निकल के आ गए, लेकिन कितना टाइम लगा उसको बढ़ने में वो चीज लोग जो है उसका नहीं देखते हैं। तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट है हमारे सबके लिए जानना, दैट वन
आज जैसे लोग
मस्ट।
गूगल की तरफ देखते हैं, एप्पल की तरफ देखते हैं, लगता है कि यार इतना इजीली, मतलब काश हम लोग वो स्टार्ट किए होते, बट उसके
राइट
पीछे जो एफर्ट, अमेज़न लाइक स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल प्लेस, that
राइट
idea, it took so many years to become that. So very well
राइट
said, sir. It takes
So
time.
that is, yes, it takes time. Definitely takes time, and everybody must have patience. Because and see, it's like that. I would like to put it across one more thing over here. If I give an option to an individual कि किसी को अगर आज 1,000 रुपए कमाने हैं या 1,00,000 रुपए कमाने हैं, तो जवाब मिलेगा रुपए कमाने हैं। तो 1,00,000 रुपए कमाने के लिए एफर्ट भी अलग चाहिए होता है, टाइम भी अलग चाहिए होता है। So that is, one has to keep that thing into consideration, that what is it that one is looking at. If one is having a very shorter term perspective कि हाँ चीज मुझे 6 महीने में शुरू करके बंद करना है, तो वहां पे अलग है। But instant gratification is one of the biggest challenges or the mistakes which one must refrain from. उस चीज में नहीं करना चाहिए। Second important point is that there are two very important aspects. What is it that you want to do and how you want to do. इस चीज का क्लैरिटी होना बहुत जरूरी है। It is very important for every single individual to be having a clear-cut vision about what exactly they want to do. Now, business का जो भी scale हो, जो भी वो करना चाह रहे हैं, one needs to be very well having a clear vision which is there, which we discussed in the first question. Having a vision is the most important thing, followed by the action plan. जब हमारे पास एक एक्शन प्लान है, एक क्लैरिटी है एक्शंस क्या हो सकती है, क्या हमको एक्शन लेना है एवरी सिंगल डे, that is something which enables an individual to progress. And this is one of the very big gaps which is there, which quite a number of people face a challenge. They are not aware about this, what exactly they want to do to get there. Now here when I said that what is it that you want to do and how you want to do it, lot of times it happens people are aware कि करना क्या है, लेकिन कैसे करना है वहां पे क्वेश्चन मार्क आ जाता है. So here comes a very important element of how to do it. Here, hence this is very important. One must take baby steps, as we said in the first point, that one has to give time to it. At the same point of time, one has to take baby steps to ensure that they are progressing.
And I
And it
suppose
takes
the
time.
biggest mistake is not making any mistake. Like
Yes,
fear of not making
absolutely.
mistake.
Absolutely, absolutely, 100%. One must definitely make mistakes. It gives a better awareness for the people, and people make mistakes once they take action. And
Right.
people, if they don't take actions, there will be no mistakes.
Exactly,
So it's
like
good
just
to
like a
make
small
mistakes.
kid, वो चलना
Yes.
सीखता है तो गिरता है, अगर वो
बिल्कुल.
इस डर से रहेगा कि वो गिरेगा, चलना ही नहीं सीखेगा. So same for the
बिल्कुल.
business. आपका बिजनेस क्या एक छोटा सा बेबी है, वो ग्रो
Right.
करेगा तब वो गिरेगा, वापस आपको को संभालना है. So I feel
Right.
not making mistake is the biggest mistake.
Right. So that is something which is very, very important aspect. And the third point, when it comes, if I have to talk of, say, the biggest mistake, what people do is that लोगों की टेंडेंसी रहती है कि कॉपी करो. अगर संजय जी और प्रीति जी ने कोई चीज किया है तो मैं बिल्कुल जेरोक्स कॉपी कर लूं और ट्राई टू कॉपी दैट थिंग एंड इम्प्लीमेंट इट इन माय बिजनेस. विल आई गेट द टाइप ऑफ रिजल्ट्स? द आंसर इज नो. सो इफ वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ doing something, now there are two aspects. One must look at the best practices being followed in the market. If today Sanjay ji and Preeti ji are doing something really good, I must pick up that best practice and try to implement it what I'm doing. But just by copying them, that is my biggest mistake. So one has to involve an element of creativity in whatever they are doing. Creativity की बहुत जरूरत है. पहले का टाइम था जब जो है हम बात करते थे लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द ब्रेन, राइट साइड ऑफ द ब्रेन, एक होता था लॉजिकल साइड ऑफ द ब्रेन, क्रिएटिव साइड ऑफ द ब्रेन, दैट वाज देयर. बट द एंटायर बिजनेस डायनामिक्स, एंटायर ट्रेंड्स हैव चेंज्ड. Everything has changed today. Today one needs to be creative if one wants to get exponential results. अगर आज बिजनेस में एक्सपोनेंशियल ग्रोथ चाहिए, कुछ अलग से चाहिए, तो one has to have that element of creativity. And once people start using that element of creativity by adopting the best practices also, that is something which is going to give them big push. So that is another mistake कि जहां पे लोग देखते हैं कि सामने वाले ने ये चीज किया, उसका सक्सेसफुल हो गया, and I try to copy that thing exactly. So that is the third mistake which people do. So these are the three things which is there. But again, these are again I would say awarenesses which are there, which लोगों को कोशिश करना चाहिए कि वो चीज ऐसी गलतियां ना करें या इन चीजों को अवॉइड करें.
what are the best online resources available for entrepreneurs?
Okay. Now, this is a very interesting question again, which is there. Resources. Resources is something which is the backbone of the success of every single business. And today we are talking of the online resources. There is abundance of resources which is there. Anything and everything which is available just by search engine. Now, today this has to be looked from a very different holistic perspective. इसमें थोड़ा सा लेना पड़ेगा. What is the line of business what is it into? That is something which is there. Second important point is that what is the customer segment which one is catering to? What is the area, which is the geography which one is into? And what is the mechanics which is being used? There are a lot of people who are using online resources only to take a reference. लेकिन उनका जो business है, वो yet it is on the, or like I would say, the physical or the manual mode. There is another section of people who are using online resources, जिनका business भी online है. So here there are two complete different bifurcations which are there. But having said that, today one of the biggest and the most powerful tool which is there available for everybody is Google, which is there. And here I would like to mention one very important aspect. If we are talking of resources, resources are available in terms of the podcast, in terms of the blogs which are there, in terms of the different newsletters, in terms of different subscriptions which are there. Another very important aspect which comes whenever I had been using online resources for like last, say, I would say 10 years, where I'd been doing different type of research and everything. But one very important thing is comes a lot of times, fewer of the resources are like available, like free of cost in the market, and few of the resources are like paid resources. So one must never refrain. अगर कहीं पे आपको resource का access करना है and you have to pay the money, please go ahead, because there is a value which one will get from that. And it's that I am again in this show, I'm not taking any names, so it's not that I'm promoting anybody, but at the same point of time, please feel free to put in that initial amount of whatever money is required to get that access. So resources
Invest
are
in
available.
yourself, basically.
Invest in yourself, definitely. That helps a lot. So, and always one very important thing is that whenever one is using the resource, please try to see what are the best things which are happening in the market, what are the latest trends which are there. Resources application has to be aligned with the latest market trends. अगर मैंने कोई resource use किया है, please check the date of that resource. If that resource has been say released around 3 years back, probably शायद उसकी आज relevance आज की date में उतनी नहीं होगी. So for all good reasons, all the resources are good for increasing knowledge, but one has to be mindful about the date of the publication of that resource. See that अगर ideally it is recommended कि अगर 3 महीने पहले या even 6 महीने पहले जो resource आपका publish हुआ है, release हुआ है, that will be like most relevant for people to use, because that will be in line with the current market trends. So this is all about the resources. Make good use of it. That is something which is in today's generation, in our world, I would say we are having that luxury of having the easily resources available online. Otherwise, पहले के ज़माने में तो चीजें मिलती नहीं थी, and one has to go and just search the books.
So, like you have said, that we should not copy someone, like something which is already there in the market. We should not copy that. We should use our own creativity. But sir, it has happened many a times with a lot of people that they think of an idea, do relevant research, and ultimately they find out that something similar is already available. Should they still proceed or think of something else?
Okay. So first and the foremost thing is that this is a very common question which comes across, and this is a very valid question which Sanjay have asked. सबसे पहली चीज में I would like to mention is that which I started with my first question also. An idea, if somebody has decided to do something, there has to be a belief in that. That is something, if one has to have a strong belief at the time of starting, कि if I am doing something, I will make this thing successful. That is something which is very, very important. Second important aspect which is there, anything in the word which we talk of. And this is something which I am taking from like T. Harvicker also, where I have one of the studies where I have studied and I read this thing. There is always a scope for improving something and everything. Nothing is the best in the market. There is always a scope to make it better. So if I have to answer this question that कि हाँ कुछ करने के लिए है, हमेशा मेरे पास करने के लिए opportunity है, if I have always a scope to make things better about it, that is something which is there. Another certain important aspect is there. थोड़ा सा एक सबको एक shift करना पड़ेगा in terms of way one has to look at the things. It has to be supported by the belief, the thought, the scope of improvement. After that, one has to look forward what is the problem people are solving in the market. आज मैंने क्या चैलेंज सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ लोगों का जिसकी वजह से आज I will have a space in the market. Now here you ask this question, there is a very important study about the red ocean strategy and the blue ocean strategy which is there, which comes into picture. I mean, and it's like that whenever there is a creativity angle is there, it gives rise to an opportunity for one being into a blue ocean. Whenever one is trying to solve a particular problem of a consumer, there is an opportunity for being in a blue ocean. Whenever somebody is trying to do something different, there is an opportunity of being in the blue ocean. And it has to be supported, the entire mechanics has to be different. One has to get into the education-based marketing, a value addition-based marketing. Gone are the days. Today, आज की डेट में सबसे बड़ा चीज हमको ये जानना है, today every single consumer is very well educated. They are really well informed. I can guarantee this thing, anybody and everybody who will be seeing this show, they will be aware कि अगर उनको कुछ चीज खरीदना है, they will do their research on the mobile, on different websites, and they are very well informed कि कहाँ पे कौन सा product मिल रहा है, कितने में मिल रहा है, everything they are about it. So, but it's gone are the days जहाँ पे लोगों को मालूम नहीं था. And today one of the biggest, I would say the success mantras for which can curb this entire thing is that one has to get into the education-based marketing, value addition-based systems. Once people start adding value to the consumers on a consistent basis over a long period of time, one will definitely find a space in any market which is there. And it has to be done differently. जो आपने बताया था creativity वाला angle, it is a complete process. Today, running a business, sales, it's a process. And any process is there. If we see a machine, आज अगर machine ऐसा तो नहीं कि 5 मिनट चली तो बंद हो गई. Machine has to run for hours and weeks and days. So similarly, our process has to be whatever we are talking. अगर आज हम value addition की बात कर रहे हैं, creativity की बात कर रहे हैं, problem solving की बात कर रहे हैं, marketing की बात कर रहे हैं, it has to be done consistently over a period of time. And then that is where the difference will be there. And to answer to your question, one must just leave it. Agar hum, that is the fundamentally very big flaw, or rather I would say one of the biggest mistake which one can do it. If somebody is getting into a water, one has to have that conviction. Yes, there may be results may vary. आज कोई चीज की results हमको उसके expectation के हिसाब से नहीं आए. But does that mean कि हमको उस चीज को बंद कर देना चाहिए? You may put it on a slightly on a side track and start working on something parallelly, but one must not stop it. Acknowledge the fact that today you are putting in so much of efforts. आपने इतनी मेहनत करके इतना कोई भी चीज को build up किया है. Respect that fact. Acknowledge yourself. Appreciate yourself with that fact कि आपने किया है. And trust me, there's nothing which is there which is going to stop. बहुत से businesses शुरू होते हैं, बंद हो जाते हैं, उसके कारण अलग होते हैं. Reasons are different. There are various reasons. That in itself is a very long discussion. Probably we can have one more discussion show on that. So then we will discuss about what are the reasons why businesses get shut. So that's a different story altogether. But coming to your point, it is very, very important. One must look from a different perspective, continuously work towards something, value add people, do it consistently. And one will find a space even in the red ocean. चाहे जितने भी competition हो, अगर हमने कोई चीज को अलग तरीके से किया है, validation किया है, problem solve की है, consistently की है, you will get the results.
Okay. Very well input given by you, sir. बस idea है, पुराना हो, नया हो, research करो and do करो. तैरना अपने आप सीख लोगे. बस तो पानी में जाने की चाह होनी चाहिए.
चाह होनी चाहिए, yes, 100%.
What are some techniques that entrepreneurs can use to initially draw attention to their product or service?
Okay. We are talking of techniques which is there which one needs to adopt to. This is one of the very good questions which is there which you have asked, and very important also for everybody's benefit. First and the foremost thing is that focus has to be there on solving the problem of the consumer. That is the most important thing, irrespective of the industry, irrespective of the scale of the relationship, irrespective of the sale. Now, a lot of times people come and say कि मैं तो B2B में segment में हूँ या B2C segment में हूँ. Yes, dynamics are different. हर एक जगह का, because the value of the scale of relationships is different, but that has to be the focus area which has to get aligned in terms of solving the problem, whether it's an institutional client, whether it's a retail individual client. Problem solve karna, that is the first and the most important thing which is there. Now how this has to be done, one if it has to do this thing which is there, one has to get into this education based marketing, value addition based systems, and making best use of technology. Now today there are different businesses which are there where people are making a shift of it. Let us understand over here from the consumer's perspective. Today, larger section of consumers, they are, everybody is almost, I would say majority of the people are having smartphones. Traditional phones बहुत हैं लेकिन बहुत कम हो गए हैं. Majority of the consumers are having smartphones and they have learned how to use technology. So अगर हमारे consumer ने सोच लिया है how to use technology, and why I am saying this thing, the reason being said is that even if we pick up say last 7 or say 2020, the amount of business which has been done through e-commerce, that is the highest. In terms of people buying, a lot of people who never used to buy things online, they have also started to learn and make an attempt. So here it becomes very important for us as an entrepreneur, as a seller, to think about this perspective. Making use of the technology to solve the problem is one of the very proven ways to educate the people and to get a more reach in terms of the people. Business dynamics can be different, but this is something which is very important. I have had a lot of debates with a lot of people. Some people said कि नहीं, ये तो हमारा तो business जो है traditional तरीके से ही चलेगा. हमने कहा बिल्कुल चलेगा. कोई business बंद नहीं होगा. Absolutely all the businesses will run. There is nothing wrong in following the traditional methods. It's like complete thumbs up. Those techniques have been proven. It has been doing well. But we are talking from the perspective of the changing scenario. Times have changed. Things have changed. आज अगर मैं उसी ट्रेडिशनल मेथड से चलूंगा तो मुझे रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे, बट अगर मुझे एक्सपोनेंशियल रिजल्ट्स की जरूरत है, देन आई नीड टू मेक यूज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, automation. Here it becomes a very important thing. So when we are talking of techniques, make best use of technology, try to automate as many single tasks of your life. Even today, if we see, let's take the example of say Mark Zuckerberg or Marshall Goldsmith or different sets of people. They are having, I mean, this is something which I learned, and I'm sure a lot of people जो देख भी रहे show को उनका भी इस चीज का awareness होगा. They've got one single dress. Any individual putting one single dress every single day, what exactly it refers to? It refers to the fact of optimization of the time, and it refers to the automation done at a personal level.
Right.
अगर it is a very important aspect. अगर मैंने decide किया कि every day I have to put on a white shirt or a white tee, then I don't have to apply my brains to search my wardrobe. And here it plays a very important role for, if we think from a longer term perspective. If I have to automate my processes, if I have to automate my business, try automating whatever things in your life, one can do it. So that is one of the techniques which is there, which is very, very important. Second important aspect which is there, because of which is one of the very big reasons why businesses face a challenge, is that the amount of time which one spends into sales and marketing is very less. That is just around 30% of the time which goes. This is as per the research. It's not that it is my finding. It is the research which was done, and the data is available on CB Insights and a couple of other websites also, which is there, where average amount of time, how much time people spend actually on sales and marketing.
Sir, marketing में कितना time spend करना चाहिए?
Roughly around nothing less than 70-80% of the time.
Sanjay, keep in mind 70 to 80% marketing. That's really important.
And it is very important. I also got a shock when I realized for the first time, when I just browsed through every single thing, कि every single चीज में कितना time मेरा spend हो रहा है, which is getting translated into sales and marketing. Because if we talk of sales and marketing, that is the lifeblood for every successful business. अगर sales नहीं होगी, clients नहीं आएंगे, तो कहाँ से होगा काम? And here this point,
marketing sale नहीं होगा, तो product बना के आप क्या कर लोगे? कुछ भी नहीं कर पाओगे.
Absolutely. And here this point straight away gets connected with the very first point जो आपने question पूछा था जहाँ पे हमने बताया था strategic और tactical activities का. This thing gets connected over there. So this is the most important point, and it's like that. I deal with a lot of people when I ask them how much time you spend in sales. It looks like कि मेरा पूरा दिन निकल गया, मैंने sales किया है, but actual sales को अगर हम filter down करते हैं, it translates into around 30-35% of the time, or even less than that at times. So that number has to be scaled up. And once we are able to scale that thing up, automatically the entire thing will change in terms of the business. And the third and the most important technique, which I would say, is that there has to be an element of consistency. Now, people pick up a lot of concepts, people pick up a lot of things which they want to do it. But here comes the part, how much one is consistent in doing this thing. I can assure anybody and everybody, if they pick up one single thing about their business and do it consistently, irrespective of the festival, chutti, vacations, whatever you talk of, do it for 52 weeks or 365 days. At the end of 366th day or the end of 53rd week, you will have a new set of business, new set of clients, different sets of revenues, which is there. But the point is that it has to be done consistently without having a gap. Consistency is one of the very, 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 very important elements, which is there, which I emphasize on also. So if I had to say that, is it that I'm just preaching? No, it's not that. I walk the talk. Since I'm sharing this element of consistency, so I would like to share this thing. I do certain set of publications, which I do it on a daily basis, irrespective of a holiday, irrespective of something which is there. So I feel pride in sharing that I've already crossed 250 days of publication.
250 days of publication.
Yeah, every day it's an endeavor in terms of consistency. So my point is that, and there are a lot of people who are there. There are a lot of people who come out with their videos. Somebody is coming with the podcast. It's all about not missing a single day. So that is the third and the very important technique which I would like to share. कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, जो आज हमने जितने भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे कि आपने पूछे थे कि अगर आइडिया रेड ओशन में चले गए या कंपटीशन ज्यादा है, this is one area. If somebody is consistent, one can cut through the competition like so easily because of the element of consistency. So these are three things which are very, very important. And I'm sure if these things are implemented, there is no reason why an individual will not get an exponential success. Success to sab log hai, but exponential success ke liye, these are the things which will make a meaningful difference.
Meaningful difference. And then there is no stopping you. Like no one can stop
There's
you
no
from
stopping
achieving whatever you want to.
Absolutely.
करना भी जरूरी है, गलती करना भी जरूरी है और कंसिस्टेंट रहना भी जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं, बिल्कुल सही बोला आपने संजय. Absolutely.
Wow, sir, what an encouraging session this has been. Being an entrepreneur is a difficult job, but if you have the will and the skill to become one, just be one. Don't think much and take that plunge. Thank you so much for being a part of Talk Free, sir.
Thank you so much, Sanjay, and thank you so much, Preeti, for inviting me over here. And I believe that whatever we have shared will add value to our audience. Thank you so much for having me over here.
Thank you so much. And rightly said, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. Everyone can tell you the risk, but only an entrepreneur can see the rewards.
Very true. Absolutely.
Thank you again, sir. It has been definitely been such a fabulous session with you, getting to know you closely. So, well, viewers, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Talk Free, FB page Talk Free, Instagram Talk Free_, and Twitter Talk Free 6. See you next Friday with a fresh new topic. Until then, it's me, Sanjay, Ankur sir, and PM signing off.
And remember,
thank you so much.
Talk free.